these two platforms are completely verified ones. If I say that we can trust them easily, number one. Number two, when you create profile on Upwork, you have to be very much sure about what are your skills, should be your title, and what should be your internal overview for your profile. What happens, like a lot of students create by themselves, but their skills are not matching to their title, not matching to their whatever they've mentioned in their overview, and because of that their profile get rejected, and that becomes very difficult for them to come on this platform. So number one tip, that you should understand first that what kind of services you can offer right now to your clients without anyone's support. Make sure that you are no one is going to ask you, and they're not going to give you any help. You have to be your own businessman, I can say, who knows everything of that. Maybe you do little bit of research, but you should understand that if I am creating my profile on such platforms, I should be aware of what I am mentioning. Number one, that is very much important. When you're building your profile, many people, as even advocates or any student those who are from legal background, I see every day, they put their title just as legal, just as advocate. It doesn't work for them. Okay, you have to be very clear. If I am a student, I can be a virtual legal assistant, I can be a paralegal. If I'm a good content creator, I can write as a content writer, editor, proofreader, or what else, whatever you are. But make sure that your title should be very catchy, very simple and easy to understand that this is a skill that you're selling. One. Number two, if you're not right now ready for selling your legal skills, you use the other things which I mentioned. You can be an administrative assistant, you can be a voiceover artist, you can be a transcriptionist, you can be a translator, anything such kind, social media management, social media marketer, lead generator. So there can be a different kind of titles that you can use based on the skills that you're using. Okay. Similarly, there is an option when we select the skills. Make sure if you are right now, you are from a legal background, you are into legal studies, whatever, but you are creating your profile for voiceover. For example, you don't have legal skills. So the problem what I have seen where people profile get rejected, even if I mention something else, but in the skills I will write legal, I will write contract drafting, my title is something else, and I'm adding my skills as something else. So it won't help you to get the work on such platforms. Always add whatever internship experiences, whatever job experience that you have. That is very important, because if I am going to go and see your profile, I should be confident enough that if I'm giving work to this person, yeah, this person has done this kind of work earlier. Okay, so this is one thing. Next, very important, which I keep on shouting on students to do, that is adding portfolio. Okay, if I have created my profile, I've written in my profile, so such a good, nice title, such a good overview, I've added skills, everything, but I am not showing my samples to my clients. Okay, so make sure if you are creating your profiles on such platforms, you should have some samples. If they are not ready, just take out a day's time to create 2-3 samples. It's not that big deal, correct? So you can sit for a day, you can think what kind of profile you should make. Secondly, what should be your written content for that. Thirdly, after making the profile, what should I add as my portfolio, as my samples? Okay, so if you do all these things and then you write good cover letters, you don't have to write big cover letters over here, guys. Make sure 7 to 8 lines are sufficient to get a job, but that 7 to 8 lines should be such that it should create it should create an impact on a client that yeah, you are the right candidate. Okay, so this is what I can tell you about Upwork. And a comment, and one more thing, if I am confident enough in my work, try to create 30 seconds video, not more than 30 seconds to 1 minute, just 30 seconds video, which should be from a very simple background, sitting at one place, looking to a camera and speaking just as, yes, I am this person and I'm here to help you on these areas. That's it. If you do that, you will be in the eyes of people who are seeing your profiles. So this is about Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork both works in a very different way. Okay. On Fiverr, you can just sell your one skills. Okay. So I'll create my simple profile, and after that I'll create a specific profile of maybe content writing, legal research, maybe article writing, whatever depends upon the person. So you just create your gigs according to that. You add your samples, which is always necessary on any platforms you go, and that's it you need to do. Once your gig is published, then here people will come to you looking to your gigs, and they will invite you. On Upwork, you can apply also, and you can get invitation also. But on Fiverr, you can't apply. People will invite you. Okay. If they see your gig and it is very good. Upwork is faster comparatively Fiverr, because on Fiverr it takes time your gig to come on the first pages, second pages, how many impressions are there, how many clicks are there, right? On Fiverr, when you are applying from the first day, we had a thing that a person was able to get a job within 2 hours of creating a profile. And there on Fiverr, it is possible that it may take week, it may take 10 days, it may take a month, but yeah, Upwork is comparatively faster than Fiverr. Yeah.